smoke. Air tankers are being used in the uphill battle trying to contain it. There's better news around Cannon City, Colorado. Winds and temperatures there are down and the humidity is up. But it comes too late for the owners of at least 100 homes and businesses. Many of them had no fire insurance. When it comes to medical insurance, millions of Americans are desperate for decent, affordable coverage. Nobody knows that better than crooks out to make a fast buck. In tonight's Eye on America, CBS's Bobby Harley investigates phony health insurance and the very real pain it causes.
Richard Baer never thought he'd be rich, nor did the 60-year-old small business owner ever think he'd be in debt. Big debt, owing more than $50,000 in medical bills.
Yeah, my life has definitely changed. This has been a tough year.
Tough because he's one of a growing number of Americans scammed by fly-by-night insurance companies. Indiana-based TRG, Baer's insurance company, should have covered his bills. Instead, it had sold him a bogus insurance policy.
These phony plans are operating in all 50 states of the Union. Untold tens of thousands, possibly hundreds of thousands of innocent business owners and consumers are being bilked out of insurance premiums.
The scheme mainly targets the self-employed who have a hard time finding affordable health insurance. The unlicensed companies offer cheaper rates than the well-known big ones. They even pay some of the initial bills. Many times victims don't even know they've been had until they need insurance the most.
I couldn't comprehend the thought that my husband was taken off a transplant list when he was so seriously ill because of an insurance company.
The Piandadosis had been paying insurance premiums to Employers Mutual for 6 months before Albert found out he needed a liver transplant. That's when he also learned his policy was worthless. Lucky for him, another company covered his life-saving operation, but not before he had racked up more than $500,000 in bills he's now responsible for.
That's unbelievable. It's unbelievable that one person can do that to another person, to exploit people like that.
It's not just affecting patients. Doctors and hospitals are also being left in a financial lurch. The situation in Florida is so bad, the state has launched an ad campaign warning people to make sure their insurance company is licensed.
The Florida Department of Insurance is uncovering scams of phony companies that sell cheap health insurance.
But state and federal authorities often don't discover the scam until it's too late.
It's very frustrating, but there's really nothing we can do. We find out about it in many cases when the victims find out about it, and that's when the claims stop being paid.
No one knows that better than Richard Baer, who's now facing bankruptcy.
It's been a nightmare. Many days I didn't want to go to the mailbox to get my mail.
To find bills he can't pay. In Miami, I'm Bobby Harley for Eye on America.
You're watching the CBS Evening News, and up next, a vitamin that helps prevent birth defects, yet many women don't take it.
Do you know the warning signs of osteoporosis? Unfortunately, there aren't any. It's a silent disease with no symptoms unless a bone breaks. So ask your doctor about a painless bone density test and if Fosamax is right for you. Fosamax is for